How to fix Snapchat notification not showing. So if the Snapchat notification isn't showing up, or you might have disabled the notification, or what you need is to fix it. So open up settings first of all on your device, go to apps from the list, locate Snapchat. You want to go to notification and make sure that you've toggled on. This ensures that you will receive a notification. If this is currently turned off, this might be one of the reasons why you're not able to receive notification. Next, you want to open up Snapchat onto your device. There, you want to tap the Bitmoji icon from the top right and go to the gear icon. Over here, you just want to go ahead and look for notification and make sure that all of these options are toggled on. This way, you're supposed to fix your Snapchat notification not showing up. If that's not able to solve your issue, you can just long press the Snapchat app, go to the app info icon, and you want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to fix it. So sometimes a simple restart can also help. So you could try restarting your app or try updating the app to the latest version as well. So these are some of the ways you could try to fix Snapchat notification not showing. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.